I figured out something and I want to bring you guys along, give you a quick 2-minute tip. I've noticed people not quite sure how to remove the tape off of these Amazon boxes, and I kind of found something the other day. So I figured I'd bring you guys along and quick show you. So if you get it where you cut the tape right down the middle, if you pull back on it, it does a pretty good job of actually removing just about all the tape, and then you can come through and kind of clean up some of these other spots. So yeah, so now you can go ahead and use this in the garden, shred it for your worms or whatever. And like I said, it's pretty simple. And every once in a while, you know, you rip a little bit more cardboard up, but all of the actual threaded material is now pulled off. And then it's kind of even something similar on the sides. If you have either an end that's up or the other end that was, you know, where the crease was, kind of you just need a starting point. And I give it kind of a quick pull. You can see there are a couple threads on there, but then you can go back and clean it up the rest of the way. Yeah, so hopefully this kind of helps you guys out. Go ahead, let me know down in the comments if you guys have any trouble getting this Amazon tape off. If you found it helpful, make sure you like and subscribe. Thanks for coming along, checking out this quick video. Everybody have a great day.